Post-COVID, I mean, Catalyst Commons filled up quite rapidly. We actually just doubled it in size. We're announcing today we went from a roughly 70,000 square foot co-working space to now the largest privately held co-working space in Canada at over 125,000 square feet, and we think we'll be largely full by the summer. So it's been pretty exciting to see, even with all the remote work that's happening, people want to be co-located with their teams. They just are now remote and looking for flexible options like a co-working space. I mean, we've always, with Catalyst Commons, like one of our goals has always been to have a fully private, sustainable model that can support innovation. And so we're really excited to have the OVIN incubator coming into Catalyst, joining all the private companies that are here. We have 150 private companies that are already here. And it's this incubator being here. The incubator itself, footprint's small, but as they bring in more and more companies, it's going to bring more private enterprise into Catalyst Commons.
Ontario is a hotbed of innovation and startup activity, but we can't pretend like a lot of it doesn't happen in Kitchener-Waterloo area. So certainly as we look at where we're piloting this OVIN incubator initiative, Kitchener-Waterloo is front and center, and no better place than Catalyst Commons. Catalyst Commons, as you can see, has become a center of innovation, of startup activity, of commercial activity in the region, and so it just naturally makes sense to set up some space here. The idea behind putting space in the community is to get the startups that go through the programming and the support to actually be in the community and working with peers and with others that can support them and grow them. We're really focused on growing Ontario companies in Ontario with an all of Ontario approach, and Catalyst Commons and Catalyst 137 is the epitome of that. As you know, Ontario is a global leader in the automotive sector. We have been, we will continue to be. We've attracted a record-breaking number of investments. We are front and center in the global automotive sector for centuries to come. The province has worked very hard. The Ontario government's worked hard. One of the big pieces of the puzzle that we've always been a leader in and we want to continue to be a leader in is the supply chain. And so really the goal with establishing these incubators is to start the next generation of Ontario companies, leveraging all of the know-how and innovation and technology and entrepreneurship that we have across our province regionally, and build the next generation of companies and get them into the global supply chain. So it's really important that we leverage this opportunity to take our companies and get them to market, and that's really what this is about.